Okay, so now I'm gonna do parallel parking with this yellow car. What I need to do, prepare my car, observe, make sure no one is coming from behind and front, go next to the car, keeping a door length or slightly less than door length. Have to align my car. The back of my car and this park car should be in one line. So preparing my car, observation, there's a car coming. Actually it's a van. I will wait for him because I'm going to block the road, so I will not move. After this van, it's safe and clear. Quick blind spot check. Move nice and easy. Straight my car, straight my wheel, signal left just in case if someone come behind, they know I'm reversing. Then reverse gear, I'm slightly ahead of that car. I will look this back window. When I see the edge of the car in the back window, I will stop like this. Then I will do half steer, quick observe right blind spot, start going back, and I will keep going. And now you can see the curb in this mirror. So once that curb disappears from this mirror, that is the correct time to full lock. Right now it's about to disappear, like now. Quick full lock right. Keep observing, keep going back, watching my left mirror to see when my car is straight. And here we go. Straight my wheel and finish. How was it?